Hi, amazing artists! Grab your favorite pinks, beiges and a bold black marker. Today we're creating the cuddliest doll monster ever, Labubu Macaron. Ready? Let's doodle. First, draw a simple pumpkin shape. This is Labubu's face. Add a sweet bow on one side, because monsters love accessories too. Leave a bit of sky above the head. Now draw one giant mountain shape for an ear. Inside it, draw a medium mountain, then a tiny mountain. Stretch the outer ear line all the way around the face, like a cozy hoodie. Do the same on the other side. See those layers? Super fluffy. Time for eyes that twinkle. Draw a soft horizontal curve. Under it, place two big ovals. Inside each oval, draw another tall oval. And add two little circles for sparkle. Color the inner ovals pink so the eyes look extra dreamy. Let's give our buddy a huge grin. Curve a wide smile under the eyes. Inside the mouth, pop in many triangle teeth. They're pointy, but friendly, promise. Paint the bow with pink. Fill Labubu's whole face with a warm beige. Don't forget the very center of each ear. Those bits stay beige too. Looking good. Below the head, sketch two chubby balloon arms. One waves hello, the other hangs relaxed. Next, draw two pudgy legs with 3 triangular toes each. Take your thick marker and trace every line. Outlines make our drawing pop like comics. Color the hands beige too. Ready for a pink explosion? Let's start with ear, color them pink. Color both arms bright pink. Splash the same pink onto the whole body and again beige to the feet. Add a pink triangle nose in the center of the face. Lightly swirl pink blush on each cheek, kawaii overload. Your pink Labubu macaron is finished and fabulous. Keep your pencils dancing, and I'll see you in our next super cute drawing adventure. Bye bye and take care.